Hi everyone, this is Mary Lou here, and I'm so glad you're back with us today on my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for giving things a thumbs up when you like them and for commenting. That really helps me out, and I'm so grateful that you're here with me. So today I am finishing up this big bathroom reset that we have done, and my last two videos have talked about this. It has been a big job, but it feels so good to have it done. So I want to show you where we started. Lots of packed drawers, cluttered drawers, cupboards where we couldn't find things. When we went to take something out, other things would fall out. It was unorganized. It was difficult to know what we had, and it was driving me crazy. And so I want to share with you the 4 Ds of coming up with a bathroom that is completely redone and feels more like a spa. So the first thing that we did in all of this was to declutter. That's the first D. That's the first thing you've got to do if you want to reset a space and just make it easier to deal with, is just take out the things that are making it difficult. Most of us accumulate way too much of things, and then we start putting them in drawers or cupboards and we forget what we even have. And so it's really important to take everything out of those spaces so you can see exactly what you actually own, and then go through and systematically declutter. When we declutter, we usually have a box for things that need to go elsewhere in the house. We have a big bag for garbage, and then generally a box for donation. And a lot of the things that you have in your bathroom are not donatable. And so if you'll watch my video about our big, massive makeup clean out and declutter, I talk a little bit about that and some of the things that you can do if you have a lot of things that are unopened, and what you can do to declutter those things. And so with a bathroom, generally, you will have garbage, maybe things that go elsewhere, and then whatever it is you're keeping. But you generally don't have a lot of donation. But look for information about that in my makeup declutter. Okay, so the second D in turning your bathroom into a spa-like atmosphere is to deep clean. So I mean the mirrors, the lights, every corner, the shower, the floors, the cleaning out the tub, cleaning out the sinks and the counters, cleaning out each drawer and every shelf. Just get it so that every part of that bathroom has been cleaned top to bottom. Now, when it comes to your shower, there are some things you can do. The first thing would be to, of course, give it a good spray down and clean with a good all-purpose cleaner. And then if you have hard water stains, which we do in this area where we live, you can get some really fine steel wool. So this would be 4 zeros. It's, 0.0000 steel wool, and it's really fine. And you can use that to get hard water stains off of shower glass or around your faucets or off of your faucets. And so that's one thing that you need to consider, is really getting those cleaned up. Get a good brush and scrub into every corner. Now, sometimes you end up with things in your bathroom that are a little odd. Someone gave us these weird foot things for Christmas. I think it was kind of as a joke. We just got rid of those. And then under the sink, we really scrubbed that down, really cleaned that out. And then I went ahead and organized everything and kept only there what we would use to clean the bathroom. And a lot of people also keep their extras under the sink. That works too. We had a mop that we just stood in the corner for mopping the bathroom, and I didn't like that. It was ugly. And so I actually took the mop apart and made it shorter. And then I was able to fit that under the sink with the mop pads that go with it. And so it's just so nice to have that out of sight, but so easily in reach. And it's still long enough to easily mop and get into the corners and around the toilet and everything. So deep cleaning, Once you get to that step, you really are feeling a lot better. As part of deep cleaning, I also made sure that things were off of the counter. So that leads us to our third D, which is to decide. You need to make some decisions about what belongs in your bathroom and where it's going to go. So this is one of my favorite parts because this is organizing, making the drawers so they work for you, using bins, labeling them so everybody knows what goes in them. So you are going to make your decisions about where things go, where they're going to live, and how you actually want this bathroom to function. You make your decisions and then you go ahead and put things where they belong. You also, as you're doing this step, you might weed out even more things that you realize you don't need and you don't want to keep in the bathroom. So now you've got everything decluttered, you have deep cleaned, you've made some decisions, and now think about the design of the room. What is it designed for? What do you want to use it for? We wanted our bathroom to have more of a clean spa feeling. And so I looked around the room and realized there were things that I had kept that I didn't want to keep out. And so if you go to a spa, a lot of times you'll see that it's just super clean. There's not a lot of knickknacks or frou-frou stuff or things laying out. It's just clean. And that's what we decided for a bathroom. Another advantage of that kind of really clean design is that it's so easy to clean day in, day out, to really keep that room pristine. And that's what we want. So our design for the room was a calm spa feeling that was easy to clean. And so as we looked around the room, that was the goal, to get it that way and to keep it that way. And after all is said and done, we love it. The bathroom is easy to care for. The counter, with all of those things now off the counter, it's a quick wipe down and done. It's easy to mop. There's not a lot to go around. We just feel so much lighter and better. That massive makeup declutter has made my life so much easier in the morning when I'm getting ready. And there's just nothing like a clean, well-functioning bathroom. And so I hope my bathroom makeover has been a help to you in some way. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please join me for future videos where I am decluttering my life. And so good luck with your next declutter. And I hope you'll use my 4Ds for a bathroom declutter and that you'll end up with a bathroom that is like a pristine, relaxing, peaceful spa. And we'll see you next time.